Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson with Angel Victor. Today we'll be learning how to play the song Restore by David Dam. I think it was requested by a viewer, and so I said let me just drop out the chords. Without much talking, let's get into the lesson. We're doing this lesson in the key of the song, which is G sharp, F sharp rather. So we have which is G flat. So the song is very simple. We have it has a steady progression. Then I think there's a little alteration at the bridge, and that's just it. So it goes the chords. Let me just show you quickly run down the chords we have in the key of F sharp. So we have F sharp major, G sharp minor, B flat minor, right? And then we have our B major, we have our B major, and then C sharp major, D sharp minor, F diminished, and then back to the F sharp. Yeah, that's it. That's the chords there. Alright, so the chords, like I said, of the song are very simple. We have our one chord, we have just basic 4 chords, and then there's a little alteration just to spice up the song. We have, like, that's how it is on the original record. So the song starts from the 5, which is our D flat, our D flat or C sharp major, to the 6, which is our G sharp, and then it takes us to the 4, which is our B major, and then to the 1. I know if the chords, I'll show you the chord diagram on the screen. So it goes from that's just basically goes restore everything that I've lost, restore everything that was stolen, restore everything that was lost, restore, you will restore. Yeah, something like that. I think it resolves at there's a new chord. Actually, sometimes I substitute my 4 with this, so it's still B sus. It's still the same thing as our B chord, B major. It's just playing B sus. Like I said, I'll drop the chord diagram on the screen there. So these are B sus. That's you will restore. That's it. That's just the whole song. Both the verse. That's what happens in the verse. The verse is still the same. That's what. That's exactly the same thing for the verse. Then until it gets to this point where you play your B sus, and then there's another place, the bridge. That's just I know you will. Takes us to the 2. I know you will. So that place goes from the B, the second to the A flat or G sharp minor to the B, which is our 4 sus or B sus. That's it. So I know you will. I know you will. That's that place. Keep repeating like that, and then they go back to the. So basically, that's everything in the song. I'll quickly show you how to play it in without back chords, and that's how to play it in the key of G. So we have G. So it's easy. I already gave you the chords in the number system. So the song starts from R5. R5 is our D chord, and then goes to the 6, which is our E minor, and then to the 4, to the 1. Restore everything that was lost. Restore everything that was stolen. Restore everything that was lost. Restore. You will restore. I know you will. That place is at A minor. For I know you will. So the place A minor and C at 9. Yeah. Or C sus, whichever one can go. So bass blow still C sus is like a back chord. So just play the C. Okay, that's basically it in the key of G. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and share and leave a comment. And if you really like what we are doing and you want to support the channel, you can buy me coffee. You see a link in my channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.